Have you ever found yourself limited to a focal length that you thought was going to be the one to go out there and take photos with, only to find out that you may have made a mistake?
Am I reaching now for you on the ground? Am I allowed? But somehow for you and I as long as no one asks what this really feels like inside out. You never would have guessed we really did our best to make the story last.
What's up, everyone? It's Curly Soul back with another video for y'all. I hope you enjoyed that intro. As I mentioned, today I brought out a zoom lens while on a photo walk on a local trail, which happens to be right in the city. This video is not a review of the lens since I'm not here to encourage people to buy things. Honestly, I'm here to do the opposite, so I feel like we need to do better as people and stop this overconsumption of items. As you saw, the trail was quite narrow and challenging to take photos in, given all the people that were cycling through it, and I was overwhelmed at first, given that I was also filming and those cyclists were going fast. All I could think about was my camera just getting knocked down. Thankfully, I managed to find a few paths that were isolated, which made it easier to take space and take photos. However, the challenge I ended up facing here was the fact that it was really windy that day and it was dark. I had to crank up my shutter speed and bump up the ISO just to get those images. Overall, bringing the wrong lens may feel like a mistake at first, but if you take the limitation as a creative challenge, you may just end up with some of your favorite images. So just get out there and use what you have. I'll let you watch the rest of the video and let me know which one was your favorite photo. Leave it in the comments. If you've made it this far, thank you so much. I really appreciate you watching the entirety of the video. Again, comment your favorite photo and also leave a comment about your least favorite photo. I know for me it was 1 and 2. So yeah, let's have a conversation in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe as well if you're not subscribed. And my cat's right here. Sophie. Oh, don't go. Say hello. There we go. She wants to let you know that you should also subscribe because she's subscribed. Right, Sophie? Ooh. But yeah. And that's all for this week's video. You know, go out there, create, look out for one another, listen to people, and take care of yourselves. Have a beautiful and blessed day, and until next time, I'll see you then. Peace.